Our tutorials. In our tutorial, I will be showing you on how to produce a lineament pathway to groundwater. As you can see, the map of lineament pathway to groundwater. You can see the drainage system of the area, and you can also see the lineament, how they intersect each other, the movement, the fracture, the joints. You can see how they are displacing each other, how they coincide themselves, the stream flow directions, and the lineaments. Now I'm using the dam that was able to analyze. So in this map, it will be a very useful map. You see how to produce. Now we have process. This original dam. Then I have insert my streams network analysis on the dam. Then I have insert my lineament, as you can see. Now you can see the fractures, all the structures, the hidden structures beneath the earth, the hidden structures on the surface, the hidden structures of the areas. You can see how they are aligned, coincide, intersect each other. You can see the movement, how the lineament intersect with the streams, with drainage systems, the streams, and this can also be used to determine the aquifers, the groundwater levels. You can see how they are connected to each other, the stream direction, the stream analysis flow directions, and the lineament, how they connected to each other, how they cut across each other. See. Now let's introduce our lineament analysis. Certain. Let's allow it. Let's see. The lineament, which are the planet structures, have reviewed the explorings of underground water. Go and watch the lineament density map part 1. So this exploring lineament pathway to groundwater is the part 2. I'll be posting part 3, which is in 3D representative. Please subscribe to my video, like and share. Let's choose the color of our dam. Okay, I've come up. Now we have added our flow direction. To better understand of this video, what is stream network analysis, streams, drainage network analysis, then lineament and lineament density map part 1. So you can see our lineaments, you can see our flow directions, and you can also see our stream network analysis. Complex. Remember that we are working on basement. Linear can be found on the approx. So you can see how the stream and the lineament work on the same line that help each other. You can see this can reach to understand the aquifer, groundwater levels. Lineament reveal the hidden secrets. Reveal the earth crust. We start to watch our part 1. It was lineament and lineament density map, and drainage network analysis. Please, you have stayed up to this hour. Please touch, hit the subscribe button, like and share. Our next video will be dropping on 3D analysis of 3D analysis of groundwater potential. Please subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching.